Welcome to the video that will change your mornings forever. Do you ever wake up feeling tired, sluggish, and unmotivated? You're not alone. Many people struggle to find the energy and motivation to start their day. But what if we told you that there is a simple, 1-minute routine you can do every morning that can make a big difference? Yes, it's true. In just 1 minute a day, you can transform your energy levels, reduce stress, and set yourself up for success. Are you ready to feel the difference? The secret to this transformation is a simple yet powerful technique. That is deep breathing. By taking just 1 minute each morning to practice deep breathing, you can activate your parasympathetic nervous system and bring your body and mind into a state of calm, focus, and energy. Here is how to do it. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Second, stand up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms at your sides. Third, take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs and expanding your belly. Fourth, hold the breath for a few seconds, then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. Fifth, repeat this cycle of deep breathing for 1 minute, focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. It's amazing how such a simple practice can have such a profound impact on your well-being. By starting your day with deep breathing, you'll feel more centered, focused, and energized throughout the day. You'll be better able to handle challenges and make the most of every opportunity. So, if you're ready to take control of your mornings and transform your life, start incorporating this 1-minute deep breathing exercise into your daily routine. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning ritual and watch as your energy, focus, and well-being soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content.